Rwanda-based economist Eggede Káruvánga says seeking reform and innovation has been the strength of the leadership of the Communist Party of China, which has led the country to make numerous achievements.
Reorganization of the party itself. Chinese Communist Party has shown through time how to deal with problems and implement reforms and organize change without any disruption. The reality is the Chinese Communist Party has been going through reforms and dealt with problems in a way which is conducive to the current state of affairs, which is applauded by everybody. The Chinese went out of poverty on a sustainable route. Now the modernization, for any system to survive, it has to keep innovating. You overcame the hunger, the famine. You innovated. You opened up the economy in an efficient way. The Chinese Communist Party has been strong and well performing on that route of innovation.